Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car escape tools on Amazon. Every escape tool performs reasonably well for the latter of those functions, but design and build quality can greatly affect a tool's glass-breaking ability. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Rescm 2-in-1 Keychain. Over years of production, Rescm's 2-in-1 keychain has become the tool many people think of when they think of a car escape tool. The simple, straightforward design provides a seatbelt cutter and a glass-breaking spike. The stainless steel seatbelt cutter is semi-concealed in the tool's plastic housing to protect users against injuring themselves with the blade during an emergency. Rescm opted for a spring-loaded design for their glass-breaking, stainless steel tip. This design allows users to simply press the device directly against a window until the spike is released, giving the Rescm a greater variety of situations it can be used in, be it a rollover, fire, or water immersion. What we like about it: guided seatbelt cutter with stainless steel blade. Spring-loaded glass breaker with stainless steel tip. 1-year product warranty. Sold in 9 different colors. What we don't like about it: lacks many features available on other escape tools. Number 2. NPET Solar Car Flashlight. Much like the Kershaw offering, NPET's T10-5 escape tool includes additional features that make it a more versatile tool for users on a daily basis. Namely, the T10-5 offers a multi-function 1000-lumen LED flashlight. With an adjustable focus and 6 working modes, it can produce anything from a blue and red warning light to a concentrated high beam, illuminating up to 700 feet away. Of course, it is still an escape tool, so it includes a guided seatbelt cutter and hammer-style glass-breaking tip as well. The T10-5 can also produce a loud alarm call or even function as a power bank for your phone. What we like about it: 1000 lumen, 6-mode LED light. Loud alarm call. Power bank for phone charging. Glass-breaking tip and guided seatbelt cutter. What we don't like about it: most expensive option on our list. Number 3. StatGear Supervisor XT. This is the most ergonomic, sleek, minimalist escape tool on our list. A solid piece of 440C stainless steel comprises the entire body of the tool, with a hook-style blade for seatbelt cutting and a hammer-style window-breaking carbide tip. A rubber coating provides a low-profile but comfortable grip. The XT also comes with a secure, low-profile case that wraps around a sun visor for easy access in an emergency. Founded by a New York City paramedic, StatGear makes an assortment of EDC, everyday carry, tools, offering a 90-day warranty on all of their products. What we like about it: solid 440C stainless steel body and seatbelt cutter. Carbide, glass-breaking tip. Low profile, nylon case for sun visor. Ergonomic rubber coating. What we don't like about it: more expensive than Rescm or Swiss safe options. Hammer-style, glass-breaking design not as versatile as spring-loaded design. Number 4. Kershaw Barricade. With most escape tools offering just a glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter, it can feel like you're spending money on a tool you might never actually use. If you're looking for something with more day-to-day applications, the Kershaw Barricade offers not only a glass-breaking carbide tip and seatbelt cutter, but it also features a 3.5-inch 8CR13 mauve stainless steel blade. Kershaw includes a black oxide to aid corrosion resistance and a torsion bar for fast deployment of the blade. Having a standard blade makes the Barricade a far more useful tool for day-to-day tasks, but it is not meant to replace the included seatbelt cutter. What we like about it: 3.5-inch, 8CR13 mauve stainless steel blade. Carbide glass-breaking tip. Guided seatbelt cutter. Lifetime manufacturer warranty. What we don't like about it: more expensive than the Rescm, Swiss Safe, or StatGear tools. Number 5. Swiss Safe 5-in-1 Hammer. If outright value is your top priority, then the 2-pack of Swiss Safe 5-in-1 hammers is one of the best options out there. It's giving you the ability to equip multiple vehicles with escape tools for a low cost. SwissSafe opted for a hammer design for their tool rather than the spring-loaded design found on the Rescue tool. Research has shown this design to be less versatile than the spring-loaded option. What we like about it: guided seatbelt cutter with steel blade, tungsten steel glass breaking tip, low cost at $5.50 per hammer, flat hammer head for more day-to-day use. What we don't like about it: hammer design is not as versatile as spring-loaded design. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.